many times I went astray.
Hi, Ate Sunshine! Father bless you!
Birthday, Ate Sunshine! Hi! Gono Brothers, we greet you. A happy birthday!
Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and Father bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ate Sunshine. May all your wishes come true.
Hi, Ate Sunshine! Happy birthday po!
And happy birthday po. May the Father bless you and your family. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga advices na binigay niyo po sa akin.
Hello, Ate Sunshine. Happy birthday. More blessing to come. Father bless.
Sunshine, feliz cumpleaños.
Birthday, Shine! Happy birthday! Father bless!
Shine, next week, Shine. Mag-gitara na ako, Shine. Praise the Father.
Birthday to Sunshine Person and
HRMD Mansion, Manila. Sunshine, we greet you a happy birthday!
From the KLC of Johor Bahru, Malaysia, we greet you a happy birthday!
KLC of Ecuador, happy birthday, Sunshine!
Magbinutan jud ka kanunay, Shine. Ay gyud kalimot sa among mga pahimangno. Happy birthday, Shine.
Shine, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, okay, go. Happy birthday, Shine!
Happy birthday, Shine! From KLC of Vista.
Hi Shine, happy birthday. May the Father bless you. Continue to bear much fruits for the glory of the Almighty Father.
Happy birthday, Sunshine!
Happy birthday to Sunshine!
Happy birthday, Shine. May the Father's blessings be upon.
Happy birthday, Shine!
More birthdays to come. Stay cold for the Father and through the Son.
Shine, happy birthday! Keep on shining, pero stay cold. Father bless you more, Shine.
Shine, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Ate Shine. Happy birthday, Ate Sunshine.
Happy birthday, te.
Happy birthday, Ate Sunshine.
Hi Shine, happy birthday. Wish you many more birthdays to come and good health. God bless.
Hi, Ning! Happy birthday! Praise the Father, Ning. Dako ka pagpasalamat sa mahana karon ginagamit ka sa buluhaton sa man gabi na diya sa Amerika, Ning. Dako ko pagpasalamat kit sa amahan. O wala ko laing masulti, Ning, so kadya tong pag-worker hantod karon pagpasalamat sa mahana ginagamit ka dito mo na kay spiritually and physically. Salamat kay sa amahan ni karon usa nakaka-responsable Sunshine na ginagamit kit sa amahan ni praise the Father ni wala ko lang ginaampo kundi ang faithfulness nimo, ang commitment gid nimo sa amahan pinagi sa anak magpibiling yung silyuhan sa amahan mapabiling yung kang faithful ning no matter what unsa man circumstansya pagbadlong paglimpyo sa kinabuhi moabot sa imo gamit ikaw magapadayon kita magapadayon sa pagpamuhat sa buluhaton sa mga praise the Father ning hallelujah. Happy birthday! Wako kabalo pila na mong edad pero sige lang. Happy birthday ni Father bless you always sa pagpamuhat nimo kada adlaw sa buluhaton sa mga.
And happy birthday. Good job. Keep it up for the glory of the Father through the Son.